Miriam, try to focus. What happened last night?
It was cold. Blizzard.
Yes, blizzards are cold.
Walking.
So you're walking in the cold.
Frost crotch.
What?
I got frost crotch.
Frost crotch? Is that a thing?
My toes. I'm gonna lose my toes.
You know, there's been a lot of toe talk. But frankly, frost crotch should have been the headline. I'm sure your toes are perfect. Holy shit. Oh.
Are they bad?
No. Oh. You put your head between your knees to keep from passing out, right?
Susie, tell me.
Jesus, what the hell does your crotch look like?